Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, we will do a simple configuration of an email server in Packet Tracer. An email server, such as Gmail, stores and sends email messages to email clients on request. We often send and receive emails on our mobile devices or computers. Have you ever imagined how this happens? Well, whenever you compose and send an email to another person, the message you send first goes to a mail server. It's the mail server which then sends the email when it is requested from the email client, for example, Gmail app of the recipient's device. So now, let's configure a mail server in Packet Tracer. We'll click on End Devices, drag and drop a server here in Network 1. We are keeping all our servers in Network 1. Let's just move this server here. Now we will rename the server Mail Server. Let's write down the IP address of this mail server. Let's assume the IP address is 192.168.1.8. Now we will connect this server to the switch. Click on this Thunderbolt option, click on Copper Straight Through cable, and click on the devices. Now, mail server is connected to the switch. Now we will assign this IP address to the mail server. Click on the server and then click on Desktop IP configuration, and we will type the IP address, which is 192.168.1.8. If you click here, the subnet mask will come up. Now the default gateway will be 192.168.1.1, and the DNS server will be 192.168.1.5. As you can see, this is the IP address of the DNS server, and this is default gateway. Now we have assigned IP address to the mail server. Now we will configure the mail server. Let's just click on Services, and then as you can see, here is an option says Email. Click here. SMTP services and POP3 services are on. Now we will write down a domain name. Okay, so the domain name is Cisco Learning.com. Cisco Learning.com. We will set that as a domain name. Now, make sure you click on this set option, and then this domain name will be fixed. Now, let's select two users for this example. We will give PC2 and PC3 of Network 2 the email access. Now here, we will type username PC2, and the password will be Cisco1. Click on this Add button. We have one user for PC2. Another user, PC3. Password, Cisco2. Click on the add button. Now we have another user for PC3. Now we have done our job on the server side. Now we have to do some other tasks on the client side. Now close this window, click on PC2, and then go to the desktop and then email option. Click on email. Now you have to do email configuration on PC2. So here the email address will be pc2@ciscolearning.com. pc2@ciscolearning.com. In this example, the incoming mail server and outgoing mail server are the same, which is 192.168.1.8. So we will type the IP address of the mail server, which is 192.168.1.8, 192.168.1.8, because we are using one server, one single server for this example. Now, once again, the username will be PC2 and the password will be Cisco1. Save. We forgot to put the name here. Type PC2. That's the name of this account. Save. Done. We have configured mail service on PC2. Close the window. Now we will configure mail service on PC3. Click on PC3. Go to the desktop option and then click on email. Type the name PC3. The email address will be pc3@ciscolearning.com. Incoming mail servers, incoming mail server and outgoing mail server are the same. 192.168.1.8, 192.168.1.8. Username PC3, password Cisco2. Now we have successfully configured mail service on PC3. Now we will test. You're sitting on PC3. You want to send an email to PC2. Click on Compose. Email will be pc2@ciscolearning.com. pc2@ciscolearning.com. Subject: Hello, PC2. Hi there. How are you? Click on the send button. Now, how do you know you have successfully sent an email to PC2? Close this window, go to PC2, click on the desktop, go to the email service, and then click on Receive. You have received an email from PC3. It says, Hello, PC2. Hi there, how are you? Now you can reply this email. Click on Reply, and then, as you can see, you are sending an email to PC3, as a reply of PC2. Hello, PC2, email. Hi, PC3. I am fine, thank you. How are you? Click on Send. Close it. Go to PC3. Go to the desktop option. Click on Email. Click on Received. You have received an email from PC2. Hi, PC3. I'm fine, thank you. How are you? This is how you can configure a mail server in Packet Tracer. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. In the next lesson, we will configure, in the next tutorial, we will configure a wireless network.